import the image, select curvature pen tool and start cutting out the beautiful face. Create a mask and bring the face up. Now delete the background and inside of the face. Select smudge tool and start slowly smudging down to create a beautiful line. Now just create more lines. We have lines on the foreground, we have lines on the background. Import an image of a hand. Now repeat after me. I will like this video. I will like this video. I will like this video. Yeah, no, but seriously. Use object selection tool to select the hand, put it inside. Now select the lines and start deleting the hand from the selections so that it looks like the hand is inside. Now we need to find an image of a brain. Import an image of a brain, put it behind the hand, start drawing with black color to create shadows. Now go to match color, match the color of the face to the hand, and voila! Draw another shape inside the face and make it darker, add gradient behind the image. Yep, this looks much better. And la finito, my dear friends, look at that. Also, I will post this class today to learn from Fred.com. So if you want to know how this was made, go to the website and start your free trial. Love you, maybe, probably not. Bye.